Today we're going to take a look at how you can mass fill your grades in PowerSchool when you're ready to transfer them at the end of the quarter. To start with, I'll click on the Grading tab on the left-hand side. Next, I'll click on Standards. On the next page, you can see your standards listed at the top of each column. To fill in one of the columns, I'll simply click on one of the boxes. Next, I'll click on 3. Then, I can click on the Fill button. This will fill all of the boxes in that column with a 3. I can then move on to my next standard and do the same thing. When I'm finished filling in all of the columns for my standards, I'll click the Save button on the bottom.